It is my pleasure this morning to welcome you again to CWM, and also to welcome His Excellency, the Ambassador of the People's Republic of China. Hunan Pediatric Hospital is a friend of Fiji, just like China is a friend of Fiji. I note that there have been 15 medical workers that have visited and studied at your very wonderful pediatric hospital. As we see from the video this morning, that it is a state-of-the-art hospital providing comprehensive care. And I am pleased, and also the Ministry of Health is pleased, that you have brought the training closer to home here to CWM Hospital. As you know, sir, CWM is our premier hospital, and we have our nurses that are here, and also nurses who provide complex care in the other two hospitals, and also from the subdivisional hospitals. And we would like to thank you for choosing Fiji and also choosing CWM Hospital. I note also that you have taken your training to various countries around the world, and also that as an institution you champion ongoing continuing professional development, whereby you've been able to organize conferences for clinicians such as doctors and nurses to come from all over the world to come and participate and share at your institution. And I can assure you that the next 20 days of your teaching here will be an opportunity for our staff to learn not only from the complex mechanisms of care that you have in place, but also be able to share the two cultures that exist between the very rich and diverse culture of the People's Republic of China and also our very rich and diverse culture in Fiji. And I'm sure our nurses will be very good in sharing with you some of our culture and our traditions. Our health professionals, you will see over the next 20 days, they're very professional, they're hardworking, they're very committed, and you know, I'm always proud to be associated with them, because I know that every day they lay their lives on the line to look after our people, just like your health professionals do. And it is my wish that you will enhance them over the next few days and make them stronger and resource them in the ways of your hospital, so that they can impart that knowledge onto the patients that they look after and the families of Fiji. On another note, I just want to make it very clear that the Ministry of Health not only does it value its workers, but also values the customers that we look after. And those are the public of Fiji and the people of Fiji. And when they turn up at the doors of our hospitals and institutions, they vary in the sickness they bring, but also they vary in the diversity of who they are. And it is our roles as health professionals to accept them and to put our prejudice aside and to ensure that they have a great customer experience and that they enjoy coming and utilizing the public health facilities, but also we develop a great relationship with them so that we enjoy looking after them. With those words, I'd like to thank you once again for coming and providing the training. I hope, apart from the busy schedule, you will enjoy the culture of Fiji and spend some time to maybe go around our country and enjoy our beautiful nation. Also, I look forward to continuing discussions that I've begun with His Excellency, the Ambassador, and I wish that this will just be the beginning of many more interactions between our two countries. With those few words, I'd like to thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, Mr. Chen. And I would like to thank our staff from all over Fiji, and I'm happy to declare the training open. Naka.